today I'm going to be having a double bacon cheeseburger and some chips. I have Takis, the munchies, the hot munchies, and some hot fries. Some hot fries. I've been craving these things. And I've been craving this burger. It's gonna be a quick video. Just came in to eat. I gotta get Taylor's costumes together. I got some Coke. It's regular Coke. She's sitting in there on Instagram. And I gotta get ready to get her hair done. Oh, see that? Looks so good. I didn't put lettuce on it because I'm kind of tired of lettuce now. These things are good. So good. Taylor wants me to try some hot Cheetos. I never had them. It took a lot for her to convince me to even get the Takis. But they're so good to me. They're so good. Let's see my shirt. Proud Dance Mom shirt. If I can, I'm gonna upload some footage of her dancing. It's a double bacon cheeseburger. I'm gonna put some ketchup, mustard, mayo, ranch. And I put some shredded cheese on there. Then I put some sliced cheese on there and melted it. I was so hungry. And what I don't get, these the hot munchies, and you know it's got like a mixture of chips together. How come they ain't make the pretzels hot? The onion. I chopped the onion and tomatoes. I had them in there from the tacos that I had. Juicy. hungry. Oh. Stick it out there. Gonna fill me up. Keep getting notification. Cheesy. Put a lot of cheese in there. The slime's starting to come out. Taylor, you got your door closed. All the way. He's still loud, man. That pigeon been yelling at me way too many times. I'm gonna have to bring him in here so y'all can see him. He always screaming in my video. Might as well scream. Hey, baby.
Good morning. Come on, Stops. I'm sorry, she said buenos dias, como estás?
And it's not even morning anymore.
Oh, I don't know how to say good afternoon in Spanish.
I'm eating, so you know how we go.
Look, she done brought him in here and put him on the table. And it's a fly down here. Yoshi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here, Yoshi. Come this way. Come on. Hi, Yoshi. He likes to play in my hair. Turn around, Yoshi. Don't nobody want to see your butt. Turn around. Nobody want to see your booty. Yoshi. 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 Look. I swear if he poop on me, I'm gonna be so mad. Say hi.
Can I open this?
No.
Nico.
I'm recording. Say hi. Say hi, my name is Yoshi. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, really? That's funny? You want to be an asshole today.
What's up, Chubbs?
Want some bread? Want some bread? Got it? Eat it.
Weirdo.
Why you just gonna drop it like that?
This is weird. It's a good thing.
I can't eat with you. You don't eat right. You messy. You be dropping food. I'll be mad. You're supposed to be wasting food. You want some pop? No? Okay. Alright, y'all. That's it for me. Say bye, Yoshi. Goodbye. Yoshi. Yoshi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Y'all be hearing him screaming in there. And now he ain't saying nothing. You fake. Excuse me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.